I'm donating to, I didn't know there was, I thought I was donating with Susan G. Komen box. I'm donating. We do not accept furniture appliances. So I just came on my bike. This is chocolate from by Boone. So I just donated. I had it in this bag. That bag. It's raining right now. It's kind of sprinkling. I gotta go to Walmart right now, so I'm on my way to Walmart. But I saw it the other day when I was coming back, so I decided to donate. Other day when I was at Walmart, they tried to steal my bike. I found the bike like down, like I found it like pushed down. I put it where you put the cart. So that, thank God I had this. I also recommend Kryptonite Bike locks because I had the bike lock, it wasn't stolen. So yeah, I just donated. It says donations are to American Recyclers. American Recyclers, 5 most valuable of ours. I will be so profitable. I don't really know, but I don't really like Susan G. Komen because I heard from my aunt that they mainly donate a portion. So next time I was going to donate to the white boxes, not the Susan G. Komen. But I had a cousin who had breast cancer, so it's kind of close to my heart. But I just donated one time for this. But next time I'm going to donate to the other one, the white boxes, just the regular donation. I saw one. There's also one by the Walgreens if you live here in Houston. There's one by the Walgreens on the other side of that. I was gonna donate, but I wanted to do to the pink one. So that's my donation video. It's good to donate. Give what you're not using, doesn't fit you. Give it away, and good things will come to you. So just do good and help others. So thank you for watching, and take care. God bless.